morning, netizens. Good morning mga kailaw ng tahanan, mga ligi ng tahanan. Lahat dyan mga kapamilya. Happy day to everyone. Let's cook our breakfast. Beautiful people there. Alert! This is our simplest breakfast but full of nutrients. Sa mga taong may kunting karamdaman na or merong chronic kidney disease, this is good for you because it's just plain boiled veggies. It has white obe, moringa leaves, kangkong, sitaw, strips of mushroom, kalabasa, okra, ginger, and bell pepper. At meron tayong pampagana, fresh fish, fried fish fresh from seawater. Yan! Preto natin guys. Yan, ang sarap-sarap. Of course, strain muna natin para hindi masyadong oily yung makain natin. Ayan. Ang sarap ng kain, guys. Kung alam nyo, ang pangalan nitong isdang to, okay, comment below. And of course, hindi mawawala ang salad. The order of food is start from salad and then the plain boiled mixed veggies, and then you eat the fried fish. This regulates blood sugar spike. So we have the rice, of course. You know, Pinas. You know, Pinoy. Para sa akin, guys, ang sarap-sarap ng combination na to. Complete food for our breakfast. Kain tayo, guys. Remember, unahin ang raw food. Tapos yung cooked food. Tapos yung may fats. Yan, ang sarap. Let's all be healthy, guys. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.